And hi guys, and this is going to be a bra strap. Hi guys, this is going to be another Snapchat Q&A video. My Snapchat is Lyric Rochester. Love these videos, so let's go. So this first one is from Pink Shani.
Do you sell any of your music that you use on your makeup tutorials? Love that you use Christian music.
Oh, she's from New Zealand, and she says if I sell any of my music that I use in my makeup tutorials. Well, yes, I don't know if they're on sale now, but if you go to reverbnation.com and you just search Lyric, you know what, I'll post it in the description bar for you guys. But if you go on Reverb Nation, guys, it's so hot in this zone. So Pink Shani, if you go on Reverb, let me respond to her. Hi boo, if you go on Reverb Nation and you search Lyric, then you'll find him and you can actually download my music there. I'm not sure if it's free or if it's for sale as yet, but my music is over there. Hi boo, if you go on Reverb Nation and you search Lyric, oh, Jonathan is dating. But yes, so Reverb Nation, search my music, is there, or I can go on my Facebook page, Lyric Unplugged. You can search there and it's there as well.
Guys, I have to be funny through this video because it's hot, okay?
Lyric just made my day. By Kelly_Q. You guys are hilarious.
My name's Siobhan. My YouTube channel is Unedited Expression, and I was just wondering, how did you get your channel to be so popular? Like, I've been trying and it's taking a while. Thanks.
Aww. So her YouTube channel is Underrated X Version, so please go and check her out, you guys. But yeah, it took me years and I'm still not where I'd love to be, but I'm grateful and so thankful for where I am. I've been doing it for 5 years. You guys know, if you're an OG, you know, so my channel used to name Pour Me by Lyric. Then I switch it up, I'm gonna call it Jamaican Makeup Artist. Then if you're fairly new, you know, I deleted like over half my videos, so now I'm now starting from like basically scratch. But you guys stood with me through everything, through thick and thin, and I mean, it just means a lot to me. What you should do though is just love what you do. It's when you have that passion for what you do, and when you're genuine, when you're true, when you're not hypocrite, when you're not people love backbite and love hype, then people that not make it for their life, whether it be YouTube or life or in a company, them just not gonna make it none at all. So just stay humble, stay true to you. My biggest advice would be to stay true to you and what you do. Don't copy somebody else saying they got this for that, let me see what I can do. If you're going to copy somebody, let them inspire you, and then you put your twist on that inspiration. Don't take it as you see it. Yeah. What else? Yeah, just stay true to you, and it's going to take time for it to build. I'm so hot. It's good. I mean, well, but no, it's really warm. But yeah, it's going to take time for it to build, so just be patient with yourself. Don't rush it. Just continue doing what you're doing, and also do collabs as well. Collabs are a really good way to get out there as well. Hold on. So Becoming K Hannah. Oh, it says swipe right to chat. I figured it out, guys. So it says, hi Lyric, I wish you was in England to do my wedding makeup. Anyways, what's the name of that powder you use that helps you to not get too shiny throughout the day? I was looking for your makeup video and it tells me the process and it's getting hard. Please, thank you so much. Oh, what powder? Well, I use the Ben 9 powder a lot, but recently I've been using my MAC NC50 to highlight, and I use, or is it here? No. And I also use my Avon pressed powder in G305 Mocha as well. Let me tell her. I'm not take picture. Yeah, honey, you can use Ben Nye's powders with a banana powder, whatever. And also, but I've been using Max NC50 to highlight, and to all over face I've been using Avon's Avon pressed powder in G305 Mocha for all over face. I'm gonna apply it, push it into the skin so it sets, and don't swipe it. Yeah, all right. Avon pressed. Okay. So hold on, I'm gonna make it to deliver first before I move on. Guys, when I say that room, yeah, them lights here hurts. Jesus, I feel like the camera is lean. I don't know, feel lean to me. So Janine and Elise, girl, I don't know, boo. As in, can you text the questions? Yes, you can, boo. Baby girl Gail says, hi Lyric, just here watching your videos. You are so down to earth and have a wonderful personality. Also inspiring. Keep up the good work. Aww, thank you, baby girl Gail. Thank you, boo. Then we have Michaela _7. Oh, it says tap to view. Okay.
Hi Lyric, sorry I don't know if it's early to send in your character Q&A video, but I'd like to ask, how do you remain so positive even though all those haters? I love you.
Oh, we're just so positive because of the haters. Oh, it's still gonna have to wait. What keeps me grounded is my support system, and my support system is my family. My family helps me to pack the packaging, to ship. My husband helps me. Even my little baby Jonathan helps whenever he smiles. And friends. But the main thing that keeps me is my relationship with God, because he helps me to stay grounded. There are certain things that I feel emotionally that I can't share with anybody, and there are certain things that I ignore, that I don't understand, I'm ignoring, and by the prompting of the Holy Spirit saying, you know, maybe I should check that or whatever, I feel like I preach, and then Jesus no, I'm just so sweaty. But yeah, so that it keeps me grounded, and even to this day I'm hearing that my name, it just all over the place. It's like my name just up and in at them mouth and pan them tongue and weird things, which I don't mind, because it speaks a lot about who I am as a person. Because bruh, if you can't spend that much time making videos, oh, got 2 more snaps. If you can't spend that much time making videos about me and my personal life, honey, thank you for the support, and I'm gonna have to cut you a check, because boo, you are bringing those people, honey. Yes. So that's basically what I do. It affects me. You guys know I'm an emotional person, so I cry a lot. It does affect my consistency. It doesn't affect me just water for ducks back. No, it does affect me, but I remember who I am. I remember who I am. I remember my goals. I'm living for my son. I'm an example to him now. I'm an example to a lot of you out there, and I just have to continue. Just remember that. Listen, you're an example, and yeah. Just don't, it will pressure you, it will stress you, but just don't make it get too deep under your skin. Queen Candy. Oh, tap to view.
Lyric, I love you so much. This is Cadian. Oh my gosh. Don't mind my head though.
Cadian, I want you good, it look good. I you sell on your don't care, your dumb business. Yeah, yeah, you, yeah. Just saying hi, and I'm filming.
Cadian, I want you good, it look good. I you sell on your don't care, your dumb business. Yeah, yeah, you, yeah. Just saying hi, and I'm filming.
I like that. That was so cute. That was so cute. She almost couldn't get it out. That was so cute. I had to snap her back. Oh, that was so cute. Miracles, pick up my baby mother. Miracles. Oh no, tap to view. Damn it.
Hello Lyric, what's your advice that you would give to other entrepreneurs in Jamaica who wants to start a business?
No, I'm not lie. So every time I say American in a white coat and I hear dope and beer things, and know the girl I work. Big up yourself, working girl. Advice I have to entrepreneurs: don't you ever give up on what you want to do. It took me years to get to this point. Pour Me by Lyric has been in my heart for about, I think, 3 or 4 years. No, it has been in my heart since I left beauty school. So it's been what, 5 or 6 years. Don't give up. It's going to get rough. The very first makeup I did was for a bride. It was supposed to be for the bride. I did a trial. She didn't choose me. She chose somebody else. I did makeup on her bridesmaids. Charged $1,000, which is like $9 something US. And I know I'm charging like $96 for bridesmaids, which is like probably 10,000 something Jamaican. 1,000 Jamaican, which is about 9 something US, and 96 US, which is about 10,000 something Jamaican. So the leap, right? And it all comes from me never giving up. You cannot ask anybody I watch YouTube videos religiously. I'm a YouTuber at heart. I'm always watching makeup tutorials. I'm always, because I learn by visually. I learn by watching, and then I can copy what you do. That's how I learn. I'm a very visual person. But just don't give up, because I'm saying don't give up because that's where a lot of us are. We just want to stop. We're not making any money. Like, okay, I'm going to be very candid with you right now and let you know that starting Poem by Lyric has drained me for the summer. Because when I started, you know, I had a little money because I had to have money to start the business, and it like, no, I'm still trying to bounce back, you know what I mean? But I'm still not giving up, because I kind of say, God, I can't, I have to stop, I don't have any money to do this. But I'm still not giving up. I'm still sending orders because people are still ordering, and I'm still doing what I need to do, because I'm not going to give up on Poem by Lyric. It has been in my heart, but now that it is, you know, here, it's making itself known. I can't just stop. I can't give up. I can't give up. So just don't give up, please. Whatever your dream is, your passion, your heart, just don't give up. Don't give up. To start your school, your basic school, to start your ministry. You want to be a pastor, you want to be a dancer, a comedian, an actress. Don't give up. It's going to take a time, but don't give up. Then we have Lavanya. Hey mama, it's Kalisa, your favorite student. She's one of my students. Oh, let me, how do I follow? I'm gonna have to go back. Right, no, how do I follow? Hold on. Okay, person hold. Oh, am I following her? I don't know. So truth be told, oh, why do I keep on swiping? Hi there everyone. So cute. So Chrissy says, for the Q&A, what advice do you have for up and coming business owners? And I just gave it. First of all, get AC in your house, but no, just don't give up. I cannot stress enough, because I know I've been there a couple times, well, with Poem by Lyric, and I just started. Just don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. At the end of the tunnel where there's light, there's also a reward. Do not give up. A lot of time your hustle inspires people, and by you not giving up, you are encouraging somebody else to start. So think of it this way: if you give up, you just kill somebody else's dream. Because if they say, well, if she can do it, then I'm not gonna try, you know. And I know it's wrong to live for other people, but there's nothing wrong with living to inspire other people. So just don't give up at all. What is Pink Shani? Oh my dear, respond. Do you ever plan on leaving Jamaica to live overseas? Boy, is that a conversation me and German gonna have to have. But I have a song called Sweet Jamaica, and it says, me nah left ya, me nah left ya. So me tell you somewhere Jamaican used to. If I can find it, I'm going to put it at the end of this video. Yeah, at the end of this video. But with my company, I know it'll be easier, you know, because having the suppliers ship the stuff to the US is so much cheaper than having to send it out here in Jamaica, and me having to clear it through customs. It is cheaper. I could have more affordable stuff, because I don't know, because Jamaica is my home, Jamaica is my heart, Jamaica, that's where my family is. This is where I was born. I can't picture leaving Jamaica. I can picture leaving Jamaica, but to actually physically do it and move to the US, I don't know if I can do that. Jamaica holds a special place in my heart. But I know if I go away, like, that money will be turned on me, and that's what I'm thinking, like, yo, but you know, it could live so much better over there. You know, your prices can be where other streamline makeup artists' prices are, because my prices are nothing. They have people over there charging $1,500 to the bridal makeup, $1,000 for bridal makeup, $550 for bridal makeup. But it's, can you see the struggle on my face? I love Jamaica, as crappy as it can be. I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. No matter how much videos I make about customs and them dirty ways, I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. I have very good friends at the post office that I used to ship. No, I don't know. Now I'm thinking about it. I didn't think about the life for Jonathan, and I don't know. I don't know.
Lyric, why don't you want to show your son? Why don't you want us to see the beautiful baby that God sent you?
Aww.
Lyric, you're very beautiful. Don't care about what people say about your face and your dark spots. You're beautiful as you are, and we're gonna support you.
No, she is not. I was making me cry. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so sweet. Girl, I'ma follow you wherever you go, baby. Wait, how do I... Oh. Honey, you just made me tear up a while ago. I'm filming now. And boo, I just teared up that... I want to follow you. Like...
You just made me tear up a while ago. I know that feeling.
Like, I want to be your disciple. How old is you? Wow. You guys want to tell that my skin has me depressed, you know? Like, I can't go anywhere without makeup on. And I see the comments, what I should use and what I should use. And to be honest, I don't even read them. I don't want to hear, and I may be a little female dog right now, but I don't want to hear what you have to say to use on my skin. This is not an overnight thing for me. This has been a struggle for years. I've had people call me out on social media. I've had people post me. There's a big thing that was going on with somebody who we used to be friends. And she just completely went off on social media. She posted nasty things about me. She even told my husband nasty things about me being faithful to him and involving our child. And I know if you can put the two together, you can know what I mean by that. I'm so glad that Jonathan looked just like Jermaine. Dead stamp and Papa. Dead stamp. The nasty thing that was said, and they attacked how I looked. And I don't care who you are, there's always that little bit of insecurity with your features, whether it be your eyes, your skin, whatever it is. And it's something that I have been dealing with for years. That snap did it for me. I mean, you can hear the same thing over and over, but one day somebody will sit and will connect, and I don't know if I'm at the place where I can go without makeup. No, but that snap did it for me. It did it for me.
So I just want to know what you use to edit your videos. Your videos are so beautiful. Hi. God bless.
Hi, boo. Let me tell her hi. Oh, wait. Hi, honey. Well, I use I use iMovie to edit my videos now. But my vlogs, I film on my iPhone, so I use iMovie.
Hi.
Blasted fit and cut off. I have to wait till it's send for me send the next parts. Yeah, to edit my vlogs I use iMovie and another editor, which I'm going to do a complete video on that, and I'm also going to do a complete video on how I edit my YouTube videos and how to edit your YouTube videos as well. So yeah, that's what
to edit my vlogs I use iMovie and another editor.
my voice is like a croaking lizard. But yeah, so that's it for the Snapchat Q&A. Oh, I love these videos. Gone to bed. Oh my god, I love them. That little, and she's such a little girl. She's not a grown woman, she's like a little girl. It no matter what nobody wants to say, ooh, evangelist. William becoming, is it becoming Kiana? Is that her? Is it becoming Kiana? I think it's becoming Kiana. Or is it, no, it's DHQ_ Violet, right? That snap did it. It did it. It did it. It did it for me. I love you guys for following me on Snapchat. I love you guys for following me on Periscope. Those two right now, like my main, like I reach out to you on those social media. So I'm actually heading on the road now to actually to get my nails done. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I'm going to get my nails done now because I want to start filming and looking cute for you. Yeah, for you. Yes, boo, for you. I'm going to do this for you, honey. And yeah, Jay is sleeping now. We'll take a couple more minutes then we're going to leave because he'll be up soon. And yeah, thank you so much for the question and answers. I'll be vlogging today, so please follow my vlog channel Lyrical Uncut so I can see today's proceedings. And yeah, that's it. I filmed videos today, you guys. I'm not gonna talk to my vlog people about it, so I'll talk to you in my next video. And